Stop asking for more hours and start asking how you can create more value. People leverage instead of doing everything themselves. I started delegating and building systems. At work, I learned to use the tools that multiply my output. Instead of manually creating reports, I built automated systems. I stopped keeping all my money in my savings account and started investing. When I started my business, I applied all the three types of leverage from my day one. The result? My business makes more money per month than I used to make per year, and I work fewer hours than I did at my corporate job.